Hello guys, today we'll see some important name reactions mostly regarding aldehydes and ketones. So let's see the first reaction, that is Rosenman reduction. Alkyl chloride when converted to corresponding aldehydes by catalytic reduction. The reaction is carried out by passing hydrogen gas through a hot solution of acid chloride in the presence of palladium deposit over barium sulfate. So palladium barium sulfate is used as catalyst here, and sulfur or quinoline is used as poison. So here sulfur is written. So this is we can say a substitution reaction. Chlorine is removed and in that place hydrogen is there. So we can see few examples. This one is general RCOCl. So H2H from this replaced here, so hydrogen comes here and another hydrogen reacts with this chlorine to give hydrochloric acid out. So this is the general. Then acetyl chloride, same thing, HCl will be byproduct and in place of Cl there is H. For benzyl chloride also, H and Cl will give HCl and this H will come in place of Cl. So benzaldehyde is the product. Next reaction is Stephan reaction. So nitriles are reduced to corresponding imines with tin chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid, and the final product is aldehyde. So tin chloride reacts with HCl to give tetrachlorotin and nascent hydrogen gas. Then this acetonitrile reacts with nascent hydrogen to give acetaldoxime hydrochloride, and by water and boiling it will give acetaldehyde. Same with phenyl cyanide, again these two hydrogens and HCl will give benzaldoxime hydrochloride, and by heating with water, okay, by boiling water it will get converted into benzaldehyde. So that's all about Stephan reaction. So in short we can say cyanide is converted into aldehyde. Next is Itard reaction, that is oxidation. So toluene is oxidized in the presence of chromyl chloride and carbon disulfide is the reagent used. Final product is benzaldehyde. This one is the intermediate before formation of benzaldehyde. So chromyl chloride oxidizes toluene to chromium complex, which on hydrolysis give benzaldehyde. Next is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Again carbon monoxide and HCl is used, and anhydrous AlCl3 is the catalyst for this reaction, or we can use copper chloride also. So benzene is converted into benzaldehyde by using carbon monoxide and HCl. So this reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. Then next one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So there are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. They are both are electrophilic substitution reaction. So let's see first Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, CS3Cl. So in this methyl chloride, CS3 is electrophile here. So electrophilic substitution occurs on benzene ring. Catalyst is again anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous means it does not contain any amount of water. So it does not contain water, so that is anhydrous. So after substitution, hydrogen is replaced from benzene and CS3 is there in place of hydrogen. That hydrogen from benzene and this Cl minus will give HCl as the byproduct. So from benzene we get toluene by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkyl group is substituted. Same if we do this reaction on toluene, so CS3 is electron donating group. So electron donating groups are ortho and para directing, and we get mixture of product with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 only. So these both are Friedel-Crafts alkylation. CS3 is electrophilic in nature, so it gets substituted on electron rich benzene ring. So that reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation is similar. only in place of CS3Cl there is CS3COCl, so acyl group is there. So acetyl chloride, so hydrogen is replaced from benzene and at that place COCH3 is substituted. Again anhydrous ClCl3 is used as catalyst and HCl is liberated as the byproduct, and we get acetophenone as the major product. So just replace the hydrogen from benzene with this CO and this ring part, just remove this Cl. So benzene ring, then this CO, and then again this benzene ring. So we get diphenyl ketone here from benzene plus benzyl chloride. So this is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is another example of electrophilic substitution reaction. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video.